Okay,
making any wild
One second.
allegation,
I'll give you a reason.
that will
Give me.
diminish your own
I'll give
position.
you a reason. I'll give
you
you a
are
reason.
leader of the opposition.
Okay.
Please make substantive point.
Yes,
we
I
are
will.
here to listen to your suggestion.
I will.
If you give good suggestion, we will listen.
Yeah, I will.
We are
Now
here
let
to
me
listen,
speak.
but don't make wild allegation.
I will. Speaker sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files.
एक तो
That's why he's not in jail.
राहुल जी जो भी
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
मिस्टर चेयर
to Epstein.
मिस्टर राहुल नो
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी मैं कह रहा हूँ मैं अनिल अंबानी
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
And
तरीके
Mr. Hardeep Puri knows who
आप जो
introduced him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं
We both agree.
वो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
हरदीप पुरी है, सर।
रानी हो
हरदीप पुरी is a member of parliament here.
आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता और आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए ए मेंबर while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision may make a provisional and for use offensive expressions about the conduct of proceeding of the parliament in any state, reflect on any determination of the house except motion, and reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on a subsequent. So please आप जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न लें point out किस
I am on Rule 352, Clause Roman 5.
श्री रविशंकर जी
While speaking, reflect upon the conduct of persons in high office authority unless discussion is based on a substantive motion drawn in terms of proper terms. अभी उन्होंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया, मंत्रियों का नाम लिया. Has he made any substantive motion? नहीं है तो रिजेक्ट करिए. It is completely against the rules.
नहीं अब मेरी बात सुन लीजिए एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए उन्होंने 352 कहा है लेकिन मैं नहीं सौगत राय जी नहीं मैं राहुल जी आपका 353 की तरफ कर रहा हूँ आपने एक भारत सरकार के मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया and you have labeled the charge against him. If you will go through the rule 353, no allegations of a defamatory or incriminatory nature shall be made by a member against any person unless the member has given adequate advance. Now you have labeled the charges against him. So please, being a leader of opposition, I think so. Notice, then adequate advance notice. Then you can mention the name of any minister. And if you have, आप बैठिए नहीं ऐसे देखिए नहीं whatever Rahul has made allegation that will not go on the record. Now you can speak.
1 minute, sir. Sir, 1
You
minute,
have
sir.
made allegation.
Yes,
You have made
I agree,
allegation
sir.
that
Sir,
will not go on the record. This is mine.
Sir, agree, sir. But Rule 352 is only applicable for leader of opposition.
No, I am reading 350.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
353.
1 minute, sir. Rule 352, mentioning about Ravi Shankar Prasad ji raised the issue. In that house, 2 days before, a member has given a very, very derogatory remarks against the former Prime Minister, two former Prime Ministers. Where was this Rule 352?
Applicable to everybody, not only for him, but will be applicable. Please can you take it? That is applicable for to him. Please, no. Rahul Gandhi.
Speaker sir, Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave industry.
To explain whatever you are labeling charges against him, so I think so you will not take. Please.
So there is a certain businessman whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, Epstein file. No, not. How I can allow you? No. No, You are mentioning it is, how if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul ji.
So I will tell you what. Well, I will.
आप
Sir, I
अपना
will
बजट पे ठीक ट्रैक पे
Okay,
थे,
sir.
अब क्यों
Sir, I will-
ट्रैक से जा रहे बाहर? मतलब you were on
Sir,
right track.
sir,
You were
Speaker, sir.
absolutely on right track.
Sir,
I
Speaker,
don't
sir.
know why you are just
Speaker, sir, you are ex-Congress party member. So I will do you a special favor today, sir.
नहीं
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है ना ये भी कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा मैं अगर आपको if you don't have any propriety for the chair if you don't have sometime your even present member of parliament used to occupy this chair Selja Didi Selja is also for
Speaker, sir,
and
you know
this is
we
absolutely-
know you have fondness for you.
Speaker,
You are an
Speaker
ex-member of
has
our party.
made it.
So
Absolutely.
I will not go very aggressive today.
why you are mentioning too much
You are a member of our party, sir. Ex-member.
ex-member na but
And we are fond of you, sir.
I'm here
We like you.
I'm here as a presiding officer
But we like you,
But
sir.
अगर हमारी बात आप
And we know
मानते
your heart is not there, sir.
अगर आप मेरी
We
बात
know your
मान-
heart is here, sir.